Imagine an ancient world filled with countless gods. Now, imagine a pharaoh who dared to say there was only one. In 1353 BCE, Egypt was the wealthiest empire on earth, worshipping a pantheon led by the powerful god Amen. But a young prince named Amenhotep had a different vision. He saw the sun disk, the Aten, not just as a god, but as the only god. When he became pharaoh, he changed his name to Akhenaten, meaning living spirit of the Aten. He then abandoned the capital of Thebes and built a new city in the desert dedicated solely to the sun god. He ordered the names of all other gods, especially Amen, to be erased from temples and monuments across the land. Art was revolutionized, showing the royal family in intimate, realistic poses for the first time. But his revolution was short-lived. After his death, his city was abandoned, his name was erased, and Egypt returned to its old ways. For 3,000 years, Akhenaten was forgotten. A heretic king lost to history until his city was rediscovered in the sands. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories hidden in history.